recording. Caillou's first real food.
Caillou.
Here he goes. It's like, what is this? It's red. No. You gotta.
What do you think about that, buddy?
Squash.
It stinks. And try again? Can you just open your mouth? Say ah. Good boy. No, I don't know if that was a look of delight.
Why? Give me some chocolate.
Alright. Let's do another one. You ready? Oh, that kind of looked like
That was horrible.
Was it really that bad? That looked like you almost gagged. Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, come on. You ready? Oh, no. Is it really that bad? Is it really that bad? Alright. Say ah. Open up. Come here. Oh, no. Open up. I'm waiting for it. Waiting for it. Ooh. Come on. You know you want to. No. No. Ooh, that was a good one. You don't like it? Oh, it's so bad. It's so bad. It makes me want to cry. I'm getting it all over the place. Wipe it off before it stains you. Alright, you ready? One more? No? One more, come on. Come on, open up. Move your hand. Alright, go. Say ah. Here comes the choo-choo train. That sounds like a race car.
All over that baby's face.
Ooh. He's just not wanting to open his mouth.
Baby don't like squash.
And how does that make you feel, Collier? How do you like baby food? Tell us.
My milk.
How do you like baby food?
It makes me wanna cry. Basically, it's depressing. Oh yep, look at this. It's horrible. Oh.
Come on. No, that was such a good. That was a lot. Nope.
He's like, no.
Okay, no more. I'm sorry. We're done.